how can you create your PIN in Signal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Signal app. And after opening the Signal, just simply tap to your profile picture into top left corner. Select your profile, and after going into there, you just simply have to select accounts. Now, after coming into accounts, you will get this option of Signal PIN at very first. Now you just simply have to tap into this change your PIN option or create your PIN, which is the same thing. Now you just simply have to set up a PIN for your Signal account. Just simply set a 4-digit PIN and tap to next button, or you can choose an alphanumeric PIN. In order to do that, simply tap into here and you can do that. Now this way, just simply tap to next and repeat the same PIN again and tap to next. Then your PIN will be created into Signal. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.